In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your email content using HubSpot. This is a straightforward process, and it will greatly enhance the visual appeal of your emails, which can make them more engaging and effective. Let's get started by navigating to your HubSpot account. Begin by visiting the HubSpot user guide page. It's important to familiarize yourself with this page as it contains all the tools and resources you'll need to craft your emails. Once you're on the user guide page, look for the marketing section on the menu. It's usually located at the top of your dashboard. Click on Marketing to proceed. This is the hub for all your marketing efforts, including email campaigns, where we'll be focusing today. After clicking on Marketing, you'll see a variety of options, and what we're looking for is the Email tab. Give that a click. You're now entering the section where all the magic of email marketing happens. Here, you can create, manage, and review your email campaigns. It's a handy place to keep track of everything email-related. Next up, look for the New Email button. This is where you'll begin crafting a new message. Once you click on New Email, you'll be taken to the email editor. This is where we'll add our image. It's like opening up a new canvas where you can design and structure your email. Now, within the email editor, you'll notice various tools along the sidebar. Look for the image icon. Clicking on this will open up your options for adding visuals to your email. Select Image and you'll be prompted to either upload an image from your device or select one from your existing files in HubSpot. Choose an image that complements the content of your email and resonates with your audience. Remember, the right visual can strengthen your message and catch your recipient's attention more effectively. Once your image is embedded into the email, it's time to ensure it aligns well with your overall design. For this, we'll explore the Styles tab in the editor. Clicking on Styles allows you to adjust your image settings such as size, alignment, and borders. Customize these features to fit the aesthetic and message of your email. This step is crucial as it tailors the image to seamlessly blend in with the rest of your content, enhancing overall readability and impact. And there you have it. You've successfully added an image to your email in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can create visually appealing emails that engage and resonate with your audience. Incorporating images can be a powerful way to convey your message and capture the attention of your readers. Thank you for following along and happy emailing.